Hello students. So today's topic for discussion is the topic of livestock production management, and it is head to head versus tail to tail system housing in cattle and buffalo rearing. We know that we have studied, and it is a well known fact that housing system is very necessary for well being of the animal and its care and management. So if you will have a good house, so the animal welfare will take place. They will produce good amount of milk, good amount of meat, and the farmer will earn profits. And in housing there are two types of housing: loose housing and conventional housing. Conventional housing has two parts: head to head. It has a single row system and a double row system. The single row system is used when the animals are means 12 to 16 animals. If the animals are within this range, we use single row system. But once the number of animals it exceeds 16, so we have to house the animals in double rows. So head to head and tail to tail system, they are the two categories inside the double row system. In double row system we have two parts. First type is head to head system and second is tail to tail system. So we will study about this in this presentation. Now first हम बात करते हैं introduction to cattle and buffalo housing. We should know that we all know that why it is important. Housing is important for health and welfare, and because it impacts health, productivity, and welfare. Then disease prevention is the another factor which due to which we require housing, because diseases they are prevented. Not everyone can enter those houses. Also stress is reduced due to inclement weather. If weather is harsh conditions होती हैं जैसे कि बारिश, आंधी, तूफान, इनसे बचाया जा सकता है हाउस में. तो फिर हाउसिंग करने के लिए आपको क्या क्या दिमाग में रखना चाहिए? अपना क्लाइमेट, अपने जहाँ पर आपका जहाँ पर भी हम डेयरी फार्म खोलते हैं वहाँ का क्लाइमेट कैसा है, हर्ड साइज के, हमें कितने एनिमल्स रखने हैं. ये नहीं कि आपने नाउ अगर हम हेड टू हेड हाउसिंग की बात करते हैं तो फिर इसमें द काउज दे फेस टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर, और एक ही मेंजर होता है उसके बीच में, उसमें वो तो सब एक साथ खाना खाते हैं. काउज दे फेस इनवर्ड्स, दे हैव कॉमन पान्स एंड इंडिविजुअल केयर कैन बी गिवन हियर, बट हियर यू कैन सी दैट कलेक्टिव फीडिंग हो रही है. इंडिविजुअल फीडिंग भी हम करवा सकते हैं, मॉनिटरिंग हो सकती है इंडिविजुअली. एंड इस एली की जो विड्थ होती है, फीडिंग एली रिक्वायर्स 8 to 10 फीट मिनिमम विड्थ. ओके. देन एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं? एडवांटेजेस में अगर हम बात करें तो ईजी ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है. सारे एनिमल्स का हम इजीली देख सकते हैं, एक जगह पे खड़े होकर उन सबका फेस देख सकता है. हमें उनकी जो फ्रंट बॉडी होती है वो दिख सकती है. हमें पता चल जाएगा कि कोई डिजीज़ है कि नहीं है. ठीक है. सेंट्रलाइज फीडिंग होती है जिससे कि एक ही बार में खाना डल जाता है, दो तरफ हमें खाना नहीं डालना पड़ता है. टेल टू टेल सिस्टम में दो मेंजर्स में खाना डालना पड़ता है. एग्रेशन रिड्यूस होता है क्योंकि एक साथ खाना खाते हैं, सोशल बिहेवियर इंक्रीज होता है. एंड ईच एनिमल रिक्वायर्स, ये जो 24 to 30 inches per cow, it is the feeding space which is required. देन व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस? पुअर वेंटिलेशन होता है क्योंकि सारी काउज और बफलोस एक दूसरे की तरफ फेस करके रहती हैं, एक दूसरे की तरफ हेड करके रहती हैं, तो देयर फेस इज नॉट आउटवर्ड्स टुवर्ड्स द विंडोज. वहाँ से हवा आ सकती है जिसकी वजह से अगर डेयरी बार्न के अंदर ह्यूमिडिटी है तो फिर उनको मे बी सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है, जिससे कि दे विल बी इन स्ट्रेस. डिजीज रिस्क हो सकता है बिकॉज कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज can spread from one mouth to another. So mouths, heads are very close to each other in head to head system. Communicable disease can spread and there is higher disease risk. Less interaction among the herd is the another important disadvantage of head to head system. Injury risk is also there because एक दूसरे के सामने है तो they can try to use force on each other and use their horns to injure each other for food. So this can also happen. टेल टू टेल हाउसिंग की अगर बात करें तो दे फेस आउटवर्ड्स जस्ट लाइक यू कैन सी इन द फोटो. उसके पीछे देयर इज वन गटर and in between that is alley where the person is walking. All the feces it falls here and urine also falls here. It can be easily cleaned and washed away into the drain. Okay, so cows face outwards, they have efficient cleaning, manure removal is very good in this case. Then improved air circulation because cows are they are facing outwards. LE space required is 8 to 10 feet. Also, if we stand at a place where this person is standing, he can easily supervise all the milkers who are milking. So supervision of milking is also it is becomes easy in tail to tail housing system. Now, what are the advantages of tail to tail housing system? It has improved air ventilation, better hygiene because manure cleaning is very easy, improved air circulation because the animals they are facing towards outside, so they are near to the windows, they can breathe fresh air. Lower disease because they are not facing towards each other, so communicable disease will not spread in amongst them through their mouths and all. And also low respiratory diseases will happen because they are facing outside. Ammonia which is present inside the dairy farm will not affect them. Natural interaction is the more amongst the animals in tail to tail system. Disadvantages are it is difficult to monitor individual feed intake because first we have to go to one manger, then on the opposite side we have to go. So two different mangers are there, we cannot, it is very difficult to monitor. Then there is increased competition for feed, aggression can be there during feeding because they are not seeing each other much, so they can find that any unknown cow can come and can stand beside them, they will fight amongst themselves. Wider spaces are required to fit their body in case of tail to tail system. Now this is some general uh, information regarding the cattle house design. It should have adequate ventilation, manure management should be good, easily removal of manure and urine, comfortable stalls should be there, dimensions are given here, and regular cleaning should be taken place in the farm, in the cattle house. So if we draw the conclusion, we will say that we should choose the double row system according to our specific needs. Head to head and tail to tail can be chosen, anyone can be chosen, but better is to choose tail to tail. Tail to tail is the best system. अगर आपके एग्जाम में आता है ASRB में, नेट के पेपर में या ARS के प्री में कि which system is best, you will write tail to tail system. Then we should keep in mind animal welfare and also our climate at our place and the management of our farm, so that the animals can get adapted to the climate and we can monitor their health. Thank you for this. And our live classes have already started from 21st May, so whoever you want to join our live classes for the preparation of ASRB NET and ARS SMS STO pre-exam, which is to happen in the first week of September 2025. So you can join our Telegram group, or there is WhatsApp number in the description of this video as well as the pinned comment. You can contact me on that for live classes as well as for notes and PPTs. Thank you so much.